In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and clicking on blue button at the bottom to start recording. If you see this kind of pop-up, select OK. And then to pause or unpause your recording, use the same blue button. To add a bookmark, click on this flag available on the left. And to add a photo mark on the camera, also on the left. Then take a pic. To add it, select check mark in the middle. To discard it, click on this X on the right, and to redo it, on the arrow on the left. When you finished, to end your recording, hit save at the bottom right corner. Then name it and hit save in the pop-up. As you can see, after that my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To rename it, you need to hold it, select rename at the bottom and type in wherever you want to. Then hit OK. Lastly, to get rid of it, you can hold it as well, but this time click on this bin next to pen and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!